listeners. This is your RJ Nikita and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingale Medical Trust, project convinced by Dr. R. Sridhar, project investigator Alok Verma, and coordinator Sai Sudha Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated elder toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any question, queries and support to elderly. Now Mr. KL Rao is going to talk about a brave lady Onake Obawa. Over to you, KL sir.
Hello, you are listening to Lakshman Rao Kantam City. Today I talk about Obawa. She is from Karnataka. Today is her birth anniversary. My dear audience, we have to remember those great people in our history. They may belong to Karnataka, may belong to Andhra Pradesh, maybe Tamil Nadu, but from India. We have to tell our children about the greatness of those people. They may be kings, they may be queens, they may be any cadre, but their valor, bravery, courage, all these things to be told to younger generation, teenagers, youth. That will be inspiration for this generation. Karnataka salutes Onake Obawa's daredevilry on her birth anniversary. This is the title of a news column in Times of India dated today, that is 12th November. This is what I am sharing with my radio audience. The government led the celebrations to honor Onake Obawa, the valiant woman who subverted Hyder Ali's invasion of Chitradurga fort in the 18th century on her birth anniversary. However, there were not many other events commemorating the brave woman's deeds. Since 2021, the government has been celebrating Onake Obawa Jayanti on November 11th every year. The Department of Kannada and Culture organized an event where Obawa's valor was recalled. Wife of a fort god, she became known as Onake Obawa for having used an onake, a pestle used to crush grains to ward off invaders. Speaking at the event, poet Pushpa H.L. said, Obawa is a legend who continues to inspire women to take bold steps. I think we are kind of restricting famous figures to a particular caste and class, which should be stopped, as our Kannada achievers belong to everyone. Celebrate on larger scale. Jnana Prakash Swami, seer of Sri Urilinga Peddi Mutt, Mysuru, said, there is need to celebrate such an icon on a larger scale so that the current generation is aware. We have requested the government to name a few residential schools after her and a few awards in her name so that such a heroine is remembered. Celebrating such a legendary heroine is important for us to preserve our history and let women know their strength through Onake Obawa's story. Kannada and Culture Department Director Dharani Devi Malgati told Times of India. So this is a column from Times of India which I am sharing with radio audience because there are great people in India from different parts of India in different cadres. So their valor, their courage, their bravery should be shared with the present generation, teenagers and youth. They should know the greatness. That should be an inspiration to the present generation. That is what I want to share with you. Lakshman Rao Kantamsetti signing off.
Listeners, I hope you too liked it. Stay tuned to Hiriyaravani for such nice program. Government of India has initiated elder toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any question, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.